Most people think wealth is money, but what if I told you that money is worthless without this one thing? Time. Every second you spend scrolling, worrying, or waiting is a second you'll never get back. And that's the real cost of life. You felt it before. Sitting at your desk, watching the clock, thinking, I'll start tomorrow, or lying awake at night, realizing the hours disappeared, and you accomplished almost nothing that mattered. That gnawing frustration isn't laziness. It's a silent thief stealing your most valuable asset. Time isn't renewable. No investment, no career, no shortcut can bring it back. Yet, most of us treat it like we have endless supply, chasing distractions and urgent tasks that don't move us forward. That's the invisible trap keeping you stuck. Here's the part nobody tells you. How you spend your time defines your life, more than any paycheck ever could. Think about it. Someone earning $50,000 who spends 3 hours daily learning, creating, and connecting is building wealth faster than a millionaire binging on TV or scrolling social media. The key isn't managing every minute. It's choosing the moments that matter. Protect them like gold. That morning you spend reading, not scrolling. The hour you dedicate to a skill that will pay off in years. The conversation that deepens a relationship instead of filling a feed. These small choices compound silently but powerfully. Most people ignore this because it's invisible. You can't swipe it, you can't deposit it, you can't show it off. But this is where freedom begins. When you respect time, you stop wasting energy on what doesn't matter. You become the kind of person who builds, creates, and lives intentionally. So next time you catch yourself saying, I don't have time, pause. Ask, am I spending it or losing it? Because the truth is, time is the only true wealth. And every second wasted is a moment of life you'll never earn back. If this makes sense, it's not luck or motivation, it's clarity. You're starting to see wealth differently, and that perspective alone will change everything.